Transform your life with a 30-minute morning walk. Imagine a simple habit that strengthens your body, clears your mind, and sets your entire day up for success. A 30-minute morning walk can do just that. It's a life-changing practice hiding in plain sight. Just lace up your shoes, step outside, and start walking toward the life you want. Morning walks are more than exercise. They're a moment to reflect. As the world wakes up, take this quiet time to ask yourself, what do I want to accomplish today? Walking clears mental clutter, giving you space to focus on what truly matters and identify small, actionable steps to improve your life. As your feet move, your thoughts flow. Walking naturally stimulates your brain, sparking ideas, solutions, and even revelations. What's been holding you back? What do you need to let go of? Reflect on these questions as you walk and watch your vision for personal growth sharpen with every step you take. Momentum isn't just for your legs, it's for your mindset. A morning walk sets the tone for productivity and positivity. It reminds you that progress comes from consistent effort, one step at a time. With this fresh energy, tackling challenges becomes easier, and achieving your goals feels within reach. Consistency is key. Each day you commit to your walk, you're building more than just a habit. You're building a mindset of growth. Let these 30 minutes be your non-negotiable time for self-improvement, a time to realign with your values, reflect on progress, and dream bigger for your future. You can also use this 30 minutes to reflect on your day, and I can show you later what else could you do in this 30 minutes, like listening to audiobooks. Every great journey begins with a single step. Today, take that step, literally and metaphorically. Commit to 30 minutes of walking and reflection each morning. Use this time to focus on what you want to change and achieve. Your future self will thank you. Don't wait. Start walking toward your best life today.